Fall is here and the new apples too. My plan is to make a crispy and not too big piece of apple dessert, which makes a perfect treat for an autumn afternoon, especially with a cup of tea or coffee. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. There are many delicious treats that can be made from apples, like pies, cakes, fritters, applesauce and so on. But I'm going to make puff pastry apple rings. I got some freshly harvested apples right from the tree. For my apple rings I need big ones, and you will see why later, and a sheet of puff pastry you can buy from every supermarket. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons lemon juice in. Then 4 tablespoons brown sugar. Mix it until the sugar is dissolved. Then add 1 teaspoon cinnamon and mix it uniform. Cut the apples into horizontal slices with 1.5 cm thickness. No need to peel them. The skin gives a beautiful color to the pastry, but you can peel them if you like. It's up to you, no big difference. I used a cookie cutter to cut a hole in the middle of the apple slice to make a ring. And here's why I said you need big apples. You need to cut a hole inside the slice big enough to wrap the puff pastry around it. And only if the slice is big, enough flesh will be left. Apples are not entirely round, so cut the hole according to the outer rim. Then marinate the apple slices with the mixture you already have made. Maybe a bowl with flat bottom would work better, because the mixture is not so much to dip all apple slices in. The marinade not just gives flavor to the apples, it also prevents them from oxidation and getting brown. Set the apple slices aside and start with the puff pastry. I don't know why the pastry has cracks. Maybe I took it out of the fridge too early. Keep it cold until you want to use it. First I gave it some vertical cuts with 3 cm width. And then 2 horizontal cuts with 8 cm length. They should be long enough to be wrapped around the rim. Prepare an oven sheet by laying a piece of parchment on it. And start with wrapping. Let's wrap the puff pastry one by one around the apple ring. This takes time. There has to be a faster way. Still wrapping. Learning by doing. When I was wrapping the first one I came up with an idea. I lay 8 stripes like a star on the tray. Then I put the apple ring on the star and wrap the apple ring like this. First the hole. And then the rim. So much faster. There's always a way to make things work better. For the second puff pastry I try coiling. I cut it lengthwise in 3 cm stripes and coil the long stripes around the ring. It is faster than the first approach, but the second, the star wrapping, was the easiest. Like you see, the second puff pastry has no crack, because I cooled it down again before using. Even if the ribbons are long, it doesn't break apart. I crack an egg and whisk it for the egg wash. Coat the top of the apple rings with the egg wash. Now I make a simple topping for them. 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 tablespoons almond powder, 2 tablespoons white sugar, and mix it well. Then sprinkle it on the apple rings using a spoon. Put it in preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 20 minutes. And just have an eye on them. Every oven is different. If you feel they're getting dark after 10 minutes, reduce the heat. Done. They are beautiful and smell fabulous. You can't actually see the difference between coiled and wrapped ones. Both turned out beautiful and I'm sure delicious. I can smell it. And for the final touch, sprinkle powdered sugar on them if you like. Now they are ready to serve. The apple juice and the sugar makes them a little bit sticky, but with baking paper that's not a problem. Let's try one of them. Crunchy outside and soft and juicy inside, and just the look makes you eager to try them. You can enjoy a pastry in a pleasant autumn afternoon without bothering to go to a pastry shop, in the comfort of your home. If you liked the video, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.